Hello, today you're looking at a 2 horsepower PVC exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. Unit can be wired for 208, 230, or 460 volt. Take a look at the inside here. We'll turn it on in a second. Inlet and outlet dimensions are both 16 inches in diameter. Overall dimensions are 34 inches long by 30 inches wide by 19 inches high. Take a look at the propeller there. It is a 3-phase unit. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it in operation. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.